Hi, this is Jared. This is my submission for Accessibility Stop Pope Tech. I had a hard time getting it to work. I went in, this is a course I did just last fall, and it's not here. So I went into settings, and I believe because the course is already concluded, I don't have a navigation. But I do have the master copy that this course was made from, and it's right here. So this is essentially the same course. I just have started changing the dates. One of the things I learned is don't underline. I went through and made a few of those corrections. So I'll do the Pope Tech accessibility checker right now, and let's see what it comes up with. All right, so 0 errors. There's a YouTube video across one contact block. Not really sure what that means. I did like this feature where I can go to my individual course. This is something I learned playing with this through the class. And then I can go to dashboard and I can see a lot more courses. So I thought that was kind of cool. And then reports where I can select the courses that are actually coming up and ones that I've already taught, which I thought was kind of cool. I can go back into it this way to find that same course up here, this Auto 57,000. And okay, you must include at least one recipient in your email. So I guess I'll have to email the report to myself later. Okay. Let me try that. All right. Create. All right. I guess I'll check my email and see if I got anything back from them. But back to this Auto 50, the shell I use. I did notice the errors. Apparently, I need to work on headings, heading structure, and redundant title text. There's some more underlying I gotta fix. Link to a Word document. And I'm not quite sure on the alerts if these might actually be errors, but they just kind of slip through the flagging process. So I do wish it was a little easier to find them. Other than, I mean, it kind of tells you where they're at. Details. It shows me what I've got here, and it will give me the code. So I need to go through this and figure out how to navigate the code, which it's not that bad. But I do wish it would just jump you right to it. Kind of doesn't really give you that option. Anyway, so back to the questions. Where do you see the most area for growth in your course? I really have stripped this down a lot. I used to use a home page with buttons and videos, and I think it was a little too confusing. It was too busy, too many colors, and I started building the Auto 50 courses as just a simple module navigation. They have to click on everything in order and with assignment due dates and lock dates that are clear and in the calendar. And that really helped. It was a lot easier to look at, just even for me. And so things I can grow on more. Don't underline. I guess stop creating my own problems. What did you struggle with the most? Navigating it after it flags it for an alert or an error. And what do you see as the easiest thing to tackle first? Not creating my own problems and underlining things. Any other comments or thoughts that you had when looking at this? Back to that main page where you can go through your whole dashboard. I thought that was really cool. Out of 20 courses I built, I have 226 alerts and 0.2 errors. So I thought that was really neat that it would let me go that far back, even in things that I couldn't access Pope within the actual course. I could still go back to find it. So that's my submission, and thank you very much.